It is already 6:40. It is still good to be outside to see the sun setting down. Yeah, but yeah, I have work tomorrow, 5 o'clock. 5:30 actually. Okay, I'm going to make a cup of coffee, and I will see you tomorrow. After. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Yeah, maybe it is going to. Oh no, it's not. It is actually raining at the moment. Very small droplets. You can see. Yeah, but look at the sun. Look at the sky. Sorry. Thank you. Yeah, the rain is just this black clouds. And if you look on the other side, really good. And we're not going to do pull-ups today because it is raining. Oh, look at this, there is a party going on here. Yeah, here in Australia, people always have time to do outdoor gatherings. Yeah, nice. In the Philippines, we usually have gatherings like that, family gatherings, usually in the beach. Yeah, not in the park. Usually it's picnic in the beach. We just move around here because there are a couple. They are walking relaxed, and I don't want to disturb them. And since I'm also going to take this opportunity to take a video of this side, it looks beautiful this way. I'm everything I am because you love me. Even if it is raining, we are still going to the town center because I like to see people. I was never in love, never had a good time in this hustle and lonely world. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, the water is far, it's low tide, so the people are almost in the middle. Really nice. Also, it's really calm. There are some people doing the kayak. Yeah, beautiful looking in person. If you are here, you will love it. And still there are some droplets of water. Yeah, many people are doing the picnic again everywhere. Yeah, look at this, so much people. Amazing. Every now and then I keep a little bit lost. Every now and then I keep a little bit. And I need you now tonight. There is a snake, very dark green. I almost hit him, but oh, yeah. Long snake. That's not good. Oh, it's scary. Yeah, there are so many people at the moment. In there, also here. Yeah, at the moment it is sunny and there's a little droplets of water. Yeah, that is because of this black cloud. Yeah, there are many people everywhere you go, everywhere you look. And there is this water park. Oh, amazing, look at that, there are so many people in there. But you know, in Dubai, when it's summer, it's more than that, particularly in Dubai Marina. Yeah, it's now called the beach, because that one is it's a beach and then shopping mall. We are normal here in Port Stephen area. I mean, yeah, there is no COVID case. If I'm not mistaken, I heard in the news that there are 7 new cases in the northern beaches in Sydney. Yeah, there are 7 new cases. Yeah, the government is monitoring very much the situation. Yeah, they have like a lockdown in that area, some restriction, something like that. I don't know in particular, but yeah, they have very strict monitoring of the situation. But in this area, as you can see, we are almost normal. And at the moment, there's no more rain. And it's very hot at the moment. Okay, we go. I don't want to eat there because for sure it's going to take time, because many people are waiting for their food. These are the kinds of bike that you can rent here in Luxembourg. Look at that motorcycle. It's almost like a tuk-tuk. It's already 3:15. Yeah, outside is hot. Also here it's hot. Yo, good afternoon guys, we are going home now. Look at that, the lady is relaxing in there. Nice light. Today I finished at 2 o'clock, 2:07 when I sign out on the machine. And today is like this. Actually it's a little there is some sprinkler of water at the moment. In Tagalog, umaambon this time. And there are people in there in the moment. And you know, every day I see people that are doing picnic around here like them. And in here also there are people doing some kind of picnic. Today we did 205. Yeah, I started 3 days ago. Always more than 200 bucks. Yeah, because it is school holiday, that's why always busy around here. Especially that borders of borders in different states here in Australia are closed, so the local New South Wales people, they come here in the regional area, and that is why we are busy. Oh, today we are not going to do pull-ups because it's a little bit raining. I'm always having an excuse to do the pull-ups now. Maybe more than a week already that I'm not doing the exercise pull-ups. Oh, there are 2 small white dogs. Good afternoon. My bell is now broken. Look at this. Oh, if you notice this house, it looks done. Maybe just need some furnishing. And as expected, also here there are many people. Yeah. I can love you like that. Here we go again. Yesterday I saw a snake in there. It's on my way. Yeah, it was scary. Very long, dark green snake. I'm not sure if that one is dangerous or... Yeah, but it's scary. I can love you. I can love you like that. I will make you my world. And this is how it is at the moment. You can see there is this trampoline that there are kids jumping with the roof. And I can see that the ice cream shop, they are busy. We are again going to have a quick look in the marina area. Feel back in my trouble and I'm holding on the way. Oh, the ferry going now to tea garden. And these people, they just went fishing. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's it for that. We are going now. It is starting to rain again. Okay, we're just going to buy something. I don't know yet. To take this carrot juice and corn. Also this one. Frozen cauliflower, beans and broccoli. We're not going to take ice cream anymore, but yeah, they are sale this time, just $1 less. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not going to take ice cream anymore. So if you can see that there are so many people in the cashier waiting. We are again going to take one of these, the prawn crackers. Long time, and at the moment this is discounted, just $2. Oh, I forgot that I needed to get money from the ATM machine. Yeah, $250 for the house rent. Oh, I forgot to tell you that last week when I pay my house rent, my landlord gave me back the $50. So yeah, just $200. He said Merry Christmas. It's a Christmas gift. They are regularly doing that. Every year they are giving me discount or free house rent for a week. Yeah, just yeah, it's nice. And it is now 3:30. Yeah. Yeah, we have nothing to do. I'm not really hungry. Look what I have in my backpack. So I basically have this. I use this as like a wind protector. Yeah, in the morning especially. Yeah, because in the morning it is cold, so I'm using that. And then I have this rain trouser, rain jacket. I always keep it in there. And then I have this chef jacket, and then undershirts, and then trouser, and then apron, and then head cap. And then I need to have this thing that I am wearing now, and a shirt, sometimes trouser. So that's what I'm wearing for the whole day. It's not good to do the laundry today because it's, yeah, raining from time to time. Nice. She won 50,000 Australian dollars. Yeah, nice. You know, every time I open this this TV program to watch the news, I always see if the contestant win or lose, and I'm always happy whenever I see someone winning.